hormiga. Focus in on that hormiga. Focus in. Can you see it? It just went underneath. Okay, anyway. Hey, I'm Michelle. And I have ant problems in my massage room. And so I bought this stuff. Terro. It's supposed to be awesome because the ants will come in these little holes, and then it's pretty protected because it's in this. This is the new way. They used to just put drips everywhere, and then I guess, I don't know, maybe cats were eating it or something. Anyway, this is safer. So I just tear this off, and then the ants come in and eat it, and they get all over their feet and everything, and then they go back to the colony, and then they infect the queen. Ugh. And the whole colony. Anyway, I don't know where they're exactly coming from. Maybe underneath there or in here. But anyway, so here's the sticker. Also, you don't have to read the directions because I'm here. Anyway, so all you do is rip the sticker apart. There's 4 pieces in it. And you just put it on the back. But first thing you should do actually is you have to open this thing up, and there's like a little nudge there, and they say just twist it. And I figure it was gonna be hard to twist, so I brought my scissors, and I'm gonna scissor it like so. I'm just doing it on the line. Jesus, I don't know how anybody can just twist it. Ooh, there we go. See, it's open. Opened up. I don't know how that works, but that's what you do. And then I just need to put the sticky on the side. So you open both sides of the sticky. Put it on the back of this thing. And I'm going to put mine right there. And hopefully the ants will come and check it out. Because they're all over this place. Like, I can just vacuum them up, and the next day I see another, like, I see like 5 a day, and I just keep stepping on them. But I want to kill the whole colony. And it doesn't look that bad. People will just think it's one of those stick-ups that smell good. Anyway, that's all you do. So I'll come back tomorrow before I post this and record and see if I see any ants, if it actually worked or not. So talk to you tomorrow. Okay. All right. So I checked this in the night, and I also and there was a whole bunch of ants all around it, and then now there's nothing today. So I think that it killed them already.